stations, mats, custom creations. Watch your man build, watch your man build, watch your man build. LEGO for you.
What do you get when you cross two hillbillies, a dog, and an airboat? See what happens when the sticks hit the fan.
Dang it, Roscoe. I'm trying to sleep.
All right, Roscoe, I'm up. What is it, boy? You hear something? Morning, Clem.
Morning yourself.
Hey, Clem, what you reckon Matt done built today?
I don't know, Skeeter. What I do know is if we don't get them branches cutted up into kindling by noon, we ain't getting paid.
Oh, man. Ain't no way we can get her done in an hour.
I'll figure something out.
Hey, I know what that is. That there's an airboat.
Airboat, huh? This coffee tastes like shit.
Clem, you see my red spit cup?
Duh, dang it.
Hey, look, here he comes. And there he goes.
Wait a minute here. He's backing it on up to the dock.
You reckon old Jungle Knuckles gonna show it off to us?
I reckon so, Skeeter. This airboat was both a challenge and fun to put together. And like I do in my other videos, to show you how I put it together, I'm going to take it apart. First I'm going to pull off the bow, which is made out of these two angled pieces. Then I'm going to pull off these two airfoil pieces. And I'm going to remove this shroud. But I got to be careful because those blades are awful sharp and they spin mighty fast.
Hey now, listen, that gives me an idea.
Clem, why are you dragging them branches to the dock?
Hey y'all, watch this.
Clem? Clem!
While Skeeter's busy putting Clem back together, I'm going to continue with the unbuild by taking off this shroud. The netting on top is actually a LEGO net that I interwove through the pieces up there. Corners of the nets over these circular pieces here. Man, I just love doing this. A lot of fun. I'm gonna pull off the control sticks.
Little help? Little help here?
Kinda busy right now, Skeeter. I'll help you in a minute. First I want to take off this superstructure. Okay, we're gonna pull these off, and the flimsy chair falls apart. This chair back's made out of a wing and a prayer, pretty much. Here's a view underneath. You can see the gears a little better. And I'm just going to pull this whole structure off. This thing kind of looks like a dog sled or maybe a chauffeur-driven walker. More spinning, yay! Okay, we'll look at the back a little bit. Do-de-do. Now, you want to see the bottom? Want to see it? There, you missed it. Okay, I'll lend y'all a hand. Here you go.
Looky there. Good as new.
I'm all right, y'all.
I'd like to thank all my friends who contributed to this episode. I appreciate you liking and subscribing to this channel. I'm accepting donations of cash and old Lego so I can put them to good use in an upcoming episode. Thanks a lot, y'all. Bye.